I'm going to go over the steps to assemble the Eley two-wheel hose reel cart, and this is model 1043. To connect the flanges, they provide 3 stainless steel screws and the tool. Put the flange with the threaded holes on the bottom, set the other flange on top, and then connect it with your 3 screws. The handle connects to the top flange with a stainless steel screw. And then tighten it down with the tool they provide. To connect the wheels to the legs, you want to remove the screw from the wheel spindles. The wheel has a concave and a convex side. You want to put the spindle into the concave side and put it into the large hole in the leg, and you want this angled away from the wheel. Hold the spindle into the leg with a screw. Tighten it down with the tool they provide. And then do the same for the other side. Now remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the legs. Now you can slide in the front of the cart frame. Connect it together with the 2 screws you removed. Hold the bottom nut with an adjustable wrench while you tighten it. The Y assembly with the hose reel axle sets on top of the legs, and you want the hose reel axle facing towards the front of the frame. You're going to connect each side with a clamp, a screw, and a nut, and you want the washer on the outside. Remove the screw and your clamps from the top of the cart so you can put your handles on. The handles go on top and are held in place by the brackets, and you're just going to tighten it down with your tool. Now you can put your flange onto your axle with the handle facing the front of the cart. The hose strap slips into this opening and sits under the axle. The cam lever brake has a tab that sets into this notch. Now you can push the male end of your inlet hose through the axle. Now you're going to connect your gooseneck swivel to your hose, and I would use 2 wrenches or adjustable pliers to make sure this is a very firm connection. Hand tighten your swivel to the axle. Put your handle to the top and then lock your brake. That's all the steps to assemble it, and now you would attach your garden hose.